Welcome back, everybody. We've got a second example on using the elimination method. In our last example, we showed how adding equations together when one of the variables has coefficients that are opposites eliminates a variable. But not only can we add equations together, you might also have a situation where you see subtracting one equation from the other will eliminate a variable. So here, 3x and 3x. I've got the same coefficient in each equation. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to subtract. In order to eliminate one of the variables, you can add them together, but sometimes you might want to subtract. And why is it in this one subtraction works, where in the last one addition worked? Well, in the last problem, we had one of the variables had coefficients that are opposites. And if we add together things that are opposites, that gives us 0. Well, here, the coefficients aren't opposites, they're the same. So now I'm going to subtract the elimination method by subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Now let's see what we get. 3x minus 3x, those eliminate one another. Negative 5 minus 2 gives me negative 7y. And 23 minus 16 gives me 7. This I can solve. And don't worry if you get a fractional answer. That's fair game. At level 2 NCEA, it is okay to occasionally or regularly get a fraction or decimal answer. So if negative 7y is 7, y is going to be 7 divided by negative 7 or negative 1. So we're looking to find the point x comma y, where these two lines intersect. I've got my y coordinate as negative 1. And as I was saying earlier, it doesn't matter which equation that you plug this into to find x. They both should give the same solution, provided you've done your calculations correctly. So I'm going to go with equation number 1. I'm going to take equation 1 and 3 times x minus 5 times y, which is negative 1, gives me 23. So 3x, negative times a negative, plus 5 equals 23. I'll subtract 5 from both sides. 3x gives me 18. So x must be 6, making my point where these two lines intersect, the point 6 comma negative 1. And what I'll do is I'll check equation 2 just to make sure that point satisfies the equation. 3 times x. X is 6. That gives me 18 plus 2 times y. Y is negative 1. 18 plus negative 2 is 16. And 16 equals 16. That point checks. So that covers us on the elimination method. Now you're ready for exercises 28.02 and 28.03.